I'm Bill Odell from HOK Architects. Events like this are incredibly important, both for the speakers, but also because of the networking that occurs. Because the solutions to more efficient laboratories is critical for many reasons, not the least of which is to allow us to eventually solve the climate problem, for one, but also because laboratories is what fueling our economy, certainly in the UK in particular. It is a major source of economic development. So we need to be able to build laboratories in the most efficient way so that the resources go into the research, into the people and the equipment and the things they're doing, not spending ridiculous amounts of money on energy or retrofits and things like that. So having conferences like this that allow people to come together and share problems and solutions is really the future. It is just incredibly important that we do this. What's been really inspiring today, which is the first day of the conference, is to see how much energy there is in the people attending this, and how much motivation there is, and how many people who have been, in a sense, suffering in silence in their own university with problems they only had, realizing that there's other people who have had those same problems, and more importantly, have started to deal with solutions. So that degree of sharing, it's just amazing. And we know from previous experience that if you're smart about what you're doing, and that's what this conference is about, is making people smart about it, it's really relatively simple to cut the energy consumption of laboratories in the first pass by 30, 40, 45%, sometimes 50. But people don't understand that, and they're learning in this conference. They're learning kind of other people are solving these problems, and together they'll be twice as strong in solving the problems of the future. My hope for this conference is that it continues. Once you've started something like this, in a sense, it hopefully takes on a life of its own, and that the government in this period of great austerity continues to see the value of this. If you can spend just a few pence today, you're going to save pounds and pounds tomorrow in energy and, of course, carbon. So my one hope of this is that it continues to grow and continues to blossom and bear fruit across the nation.